There's a lot of events where there's a lot of talking and not a lot of doing. This is genuine connections. These are real people doing really, really good things, really interesting things, and it drives a lot of actions.
Welcome to Climb26.
Climb26 is the absolute powerhouse of business and innovation events.
Amazing.
We love it.
It's a fantastic 2 days full of innovation, positivity, and I'm so excited to be back here.
It's just great being in the north.
I was given a Lifetime Achievement Award. Didn't see that coming.
It's incredible to see so many entrepreneurs coming together, because I think sometimes it'd be quite lonely to be an entrepreneur, leading a business.
Each year I come, I gain more and more and more. There's something for everybody.
You rarely come across that moment where everybody just wants to help one another out.
If I was to summarise Climb in 3 words, full of energy.
It's been a good experience to learn new stuff about business, something that you wouldn't learn at school.
Looking forward not just to sharing my experience and expertise, but actually learning from others.
You can see real innovation, dynamism, and those decisions being made really quick.
Each year Climb UK just gets better and better, and Climb UK 27 promises to be fantastic, bringing together not just UK investors but international investment interest in the businesses that we're growing in the UK today. It's really vital that we try and get that inward investment secured as much as we can to retain the talent that we're seeing arrive in the UK on a regular basis.
It's been an amazing 2 days, and we're really excited to see you all again in 2027.